Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jen and I create videos on my life. If you're watching me for the first time, then please do hit the subscribe button so that you get to see a lot more of me and my stories. In today's video, we are going to talk about some of my favorite life hacks which make my life so much better, and I'm going to share them with you so that you also have the same opportunity to make your life better. If you want to listen to them, make a note of them and apply them into your life, then please keep watching. Firstly guys, what is a life hack? A life hack is a tip or a trick which makes a complex process easier or better or faster. Okay, so it can be anything. I mean, it can be the simplest of tasks that you feel is complex, like probably making your tea in the morning or getting out of bed in the morning, concentrating on your work, anything. Okay, just one of those tricks which you use, and it makes that process which initially you thought as difficult simpler. Okay, so it just simplifies your complex process by a simple tip or a trick. So that is what a life hack is. It's like hacking into a better lifestyle. What are these life hacks that I use? So these aren't my inventions as such. You might find these hacks in a lot of different places. These are only the life hacks that I have used and tried in my life and personally loved them. That is why I'm sharing them with you. It's not something that I've invented. So just wanted to give this disclaimer first. First life hack is, whenever you're hosting an outdoor party, okay, use the pickle jars that you have at your house and in your home. Use those to light up candles. Use those to place candles in it and just make the decor better. So all those pickle jars that you have, take them out, use them as a lit candle holder. Life hack number 2. Hiccups. Are you tired of those? Then the best way to stop hiccups is by thinking of an hiccup. So you would notice that getting distracted is always the best policy. So here, instead of getting distracted, you focus on it, and you're like, when you're getting hiccups, just think about those hiccups. Think about it coming next, like, and it just goes away. The third life hack is to cure your stress as an adult. So we all have very stressful lives, and we all usually do meditate, exercise, eat good food and all of that, which are amazing and definitely do work. I'll tell you another way to get yourself de-stressed, and that is to buy some adult coloring books for yourself and start coloring those. There are a lot of grown-up coloring books available. Just search for one on Amazon or any e-commerce portal. Buy one for yourself and start coloring. It's so peaceful. It's like a guided meditation for your own self, and it's just a beautiful feeling. And you can also tear them out and stick on your wall, your study desk, or just anywhere, and it will bring you that calmness, and it will help you focus on the feeling of calm you felt when you were coloring. So it's like a beautiful way to be better and feel at ease and say bye-bye to anxiety. Have you been very restless and sleepless lately? And being like tossing and turning into your bed but not being able to sleep, tired of insomnia? Then I have the best way for you to cure it. So science says that if you actually watch or go through pictures of people sleeping, then it triggers a response in your brain, right, which tells your brain that it's tired, and it will make you feel more tired. So when you watch people sleep images or anything, then it actually makes you want to sleep also. So whenever you're not getting sleep or not feeling sleepy and it's bedtime and you have to sleep, then try this, watch other people sleep, and eventually you will also fall asleep. There are people like me who travels often and is always worried about their luggage getting lost while traveling or in transit somewhere. Then there's an easy way out. Just buy a GPS tracker for your luggage, okay, and just stick it on the luggage, and voila, every time you are waiting for your luggage, you can actually see the location where is it at right now, and be assured and reassured that it will reach to you safely, and you get to see all the real-time updates. The next life hack is making mayonnaise at home. So mayonnaise is one of our favorite things to eat chips and a lot of other items with, and this dip can be easily made at home even when all the shops are closed and you have no idea how to do it. You just blend an egg and a cup of oil together and just mix it, and that's it. Your mayonnaise is ready. You can add some garlic or salt to add other extra flavors. That's all up to you, but egg and oil will do the trick. Does your laptop heat too often and you feel like it's just going to burst? Then just place some forks below your laptop and it will cool it down instantly. Just a few forks, that's it. Okay guys, time for the next hack that we have. If you're wearing a wristwatch, always make sure that you roll up your sleeves. Okay, always roll up your sleeves, because that will help you look more presentable, and every time you want to watch the time in your wristwatch, you don't have to actually juggle with your with your sleeves, and instead if it's rolled up, you can directly watch it like that. Okay, so it saves a lot of hassle. So make sure that you look presentable, and you also save yourself the hassle by rolling up your sleeves beforehand whenever you're wearing a wristwatch. Do you have a face toner lying around just like that which you haven't used? Then use it as your hand sanitizer. If you are low on space, then make sure that you put your underwear and your socks in your shoes, okay, inside your shoes, to save space whenever you go out for an outing or are low on space. If you have a problem of heartburn when you are sleeping, holidays are coming and there's no way around. Sleeping position can be a big culprit there. So your sleeping style usually can affect this issue. So make sure that you're sleeping on your left side to get a relief from your symptoms of heartburn. Whenever you run out of topics to talk about, so tell me tonight, won't you come home, and want that one icebreaker, then make sure you ask them, what did you learn a little too late, or what is that one thing about you that people usually either underestimate or overestimate. Try this. The final life hack is for all of you who love to travel. These are the days you shouldn't be alone, but hate the constipation and the giddiness that comes with travel. So to avoid travel constipation, include berries in your breakfast. So what it does is it is a very good fiber intake for your body, and it makes sure that you do not feel constipated and unwell during your travel. Those berries are good for you. Okay guys, so that is all I had in the life hacks section. There are a lot of different life hacks. I'm sure you will get a lot on the internet, and there are a lot of those which you invent for yourselves also as you move along in life. So which is your favorite life hack? Please do let me know in the comment section below. And the life hacks which I told today, is there any which you already follow? And if you do, please let me know. And if you didn't yet, then which is the one life hack which you would go ahead and follow? Please let me know that too in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you get to see more of me and my stories. There's a next video coming up very soon, and I hope to see you there also. Thank you so much for watching my videos and loving them. I'm so grateful that you come back every time. And if you're new, please do come back next time. Thank you so much. I love you all. Take care. See you soon.